For homeowners in Layton, Utah, changing seasons bring beautiful scenery, but they can also bring frustrating window condensation issues. During colder months, it's common to notice moisture collecting on windows, leading many homeowners to wonder whether their windows are performing properly. Fortunately, modern replacement windows can play a significant role in reducing condensation and improving overall home comfort. Understanding why condensation occurs and how replacement windows help prevent it can make a big difference in maintaining a healthier, more energy-efficient home. What causes window condensation? Condensation forms when warm, moisture-filled air comes into contact with a cooler surface. In Layton's climate, this often happens during the winter when indoor air is warm and outdoor temperatures are significantly lower. As the warm air touches a cold window surface, moisture condenses into water droplets. While occasional condensation is normal, excessive moisture can indicate that windows are not insulating effectively. Over time, persistent condensation can contribute to mold growth, damage window frames, and create uncomfortable indoor conditions. How replacement windows help reduce condensation? Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced technologies that help maintain more consistent interior glass temperatures. This reduces the likelihood that warm indoor air will cool enough to form condensation on the window surface. Many replacement windows feature double-pane or triple-pane glass systems with insulating gas fills between the panes. These layers create a thermal barrier that minimizes heat transfer, helping the interior glass remain warmer during winter months. As a result, homeowners often experience less condensation and a more comfortable living environment throughout the year. The importance of energy-efficient glass. One of the most effective ways replacement windows combat condensation is through energy-efficient glass coatings. Low emissivity, low E, coatings are designed to reflect heat back into the home while limiting heat loss through the glass. By helping the interior pane stay closer to room temperature, low E glass reduces the conditions that allow condensation to develop. In addition to moisture control, these coatings can also improve energy efficiency and lower heating costs during Layton's colder seasons. When selecting replacement windows, choosing products with high-performance glass packages can provide both comfort and long-term savings. Better seals mean better protection. Older windows often develop worn seals, cracks, or gaps that allow cold outdoor air to infiltrate the home. These weak points can create cold spots around the window, increasing the likelihood of condensation forming on nearby surfaces. Replacement windows are manufactured with improved weather stripping and advanced sealing systems that help prevent air leakage. By keeping cold air out and conditioned air in, these windows create a more stable indoor environment and reduce moisture-related concerns. A properly sealed window not only improves comfort but also helps your heating and cooling system operate more efficiently. Managing indoor humidity levels. While replacement windows can significantly reduce condensation, indoor humidity also plays an important role. Activities such as cooking, showering, doing laundry, and even breathing add moisture to the air. If humidity levels become too high, condensation can still occur, even with high-quality windows. Homeowners can further minimize moisture problems by using exhaust fans, maintaining proper ventilation, and monitoring indoor humidity levels throughout the year. Many experts recommend keeping indoor humidity between 30% and 50% during winter months to reduce the risk of excessive condensation. Protecting your home from moisture damage. Excessive condensation should never be ignored. Water that repeatedly collects on windowsills and frames can lead to peeling paint, wood rot, mildew growth, and other costly issues. Over time, these problems may affect both the appearance and structural integrity of your home. By upgrading to modern replacement windows, homeowners can create a stronger defense against moisture-related damage. Improved insulation, better seals, and energy-efficient glass all work together to help keep windows drier and homes healthier. A smart investment for Layton homeowners. Replacement windows offer benefits that extend well beyond aesthetics. They can improve energy efficiency, increase indoor comfort, reduce heating costs, and help prevent frustrating condensation problems that are common in colder climates. For Layton homeowners looking to enhance their home's performance and protect it from moisture-related issues, investing in high-quality replacement windows is a practical and valuable solution. With the right products and professional installation, you can enjoy clearer views, greater comfort, and peace of mind throughout every season.